Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I would get down. I have a few little things that I use when I'm out in the field, but a lot of the stuff everybody uses. I put all my tools right there so I don't be bending up and down. But this is the main part of the video right here. You have these regular nice umbrellas that keeps you nice and shady, but unfortunately they fall apart. Like this one's broken right here. And you're like, how in the world I'm going to use this? I'm going to go buy another one. No, you do not have to do that. All you have to do is take your hand and manually push it open like I did this one. Take yourself an inexpensive zip tie and zip tie it. When you are done with the umbrella, you just take your something right here and scissors, whatever you want, cut it, and this will come right back down. And when you're ready to go back, bring it back up, you grab this part, which is going to be down here. I'm sorry, it's going to be down here. You grab it and you just take your hand like this and it opens all the way up, and then you just zip tie it. This is just a mechanic tip and also is a life tip. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.